Hello everyone and welcome to the complete course on Mastercam. We are thrilled that you've chosen to enhance your skills with Mastercam training course. This comprehensive course is designed to introduce you to the extensive capabilities of Mastercam, from basic navigation through the interface to advanced multi-axis machining techniques. Whether you are a seasoned professional in the manufacturing industry or just starting out, this course offers valuable insights and hands-on experience that will empower you to make the most of this powerful CAD/CAM software. Over the course of 9 hours, you will be guided through a series of modules that meticulously covers various aspects of Mastercam. Each module is crafted to build on the skills developed in the previous one, ensuring a seamless learning experience. By the end of the course, you will be not only understand how to effectively use Mastercam's suite of tools, but also be able to apply these skills in practical, real-world manufacturing scenarios. The final project will be a culmination of everything you've learned and a chance to demonstrate your new abilities. Thank you for choosing to develop your skills with us. Let's embark on this journey of learning and innovation together.